Today we will learn animals and their homes. Dog, kennel. A dog lives in a kennel. Elephant, savannah. An elephant lives in a savannah. Tiger, den. A tiger lives in a den. Horse, stable. A horse lives in a stable. Cow, shed. A cow lives in a shed. Monkey, tree. A monkey lives on a tree. Deer, grassland. A deer lives in a grassland. Camel, desert. Camels live in the desert. Bird, nest. A bird lives in a nest. Frog, pond. A frog lives near a pond. Snake, hole. A snake lives in a hole. Rabbit, burrow. A rabbit lives in a burrow. Ant, anthill. Ants lives on anthill. Panda, bamboo forest. Pandas live near bamboo forest. Hippo, riverbank. A hippo lives near the river bank. Yak, hills. A yak lives in hills. Spider, web. A spider lives in a web. Bees, hive. Bees live in a hive. Hen, coop. A hen lives in a coop. Sheep, pen. A sheep lives in a pen. Cat, cattery. A cat lives in a cattery. Polar bear, ice cave. Polar bears lives on ice. Giraffe, savannah. A giraffe lives in a savannah. Duck, pond. A duck lives in a water. Kangaroo, tree hollow. A kangaroo lives in a tree hollow. Donkey, barn. A donkey lives in a barn. Penguin, iceberg. A penguin lives in a iceberg. Parrot, Cage. A parrot lives in a cage. Fish. Water. A fish lives in the water. Rat. Hole. Rats live in a hole. Goat. Fence. A goat lives in a fence. Pig. Pigsty. A pig lives in a pigsty. Shark. Sea. A shark lives in the sea. Lion. Den. A lion lives in a den. Zebra. Safari. A zebra lives in a safari. Fox. Burrow. A fox lives in a burrow. Crocodile. Pond. A crocodile lives in a pond. Turtle. Sea. A turtle lives in the sea. Koala. Tree. A koala lives on a tree. Seal. Iceberg. A seal lives on an iceberg. Bat. Cave. A bat lives in a cave. Owl. Tree hollow. An owl lives in a tree hollow. Turkey. Farm. A turkey lives in a farm. Worm. Soil. A worm lives in a soil. Wolf. Lair. A wolf lives in a lair. Snail. Shell. A snail lives in a shell. Llama. Hut. A llama lives in a hut. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel, The Tiny Tutors.